Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion reciprocating saw. Lightweight, 2-speed selector. Large, soft-gripped handle. Lockjaw blade holder for easy blade change. New Bosch Cool-Pack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion reciprocating saw.
Bosch, invented for life.
Getting things done requires making cuts. Use the wrong saw and you'll get sloppy results. But to have the right cutting tool for all kinds of materials, you'd need to have all of these tools, until now. Introducing the Rockwell Blade Runner X2, the go-anywhere, cut-anything compact table saw. The Blade Runner X2 may be the most versatile saw ever invented. You can cut wood, metal, tile, or plastic with lightning-fast blade changes in less than 3 seconds flat. You've always got 2 hands on the materials for maximum control and amazing accuracy. Blade Runner X2 makes it easy for anyone to get professional quality results the first time and every time. And since it's lightweight and portable, you can actually take your workshop right to where you're working, so projects get done faster and with less hassle. Best of all, you won't have a big cleanup afterwards. Just hook up any shop vac and now you're making mess-free cuts without the dust. Plus now you can make all kinds of specialty cuts you simply couldn't do before, like perfect notch cuts, curved cuts, inside cuts, form-fitting cuts, even long, straight, ripped cuts done perfectly every time. You'll be able to make just about any cut you'll ever need with zero prep time, because Blade Runner X2 is ready to go with a flip of a switch, and a safety key means it only runs when you want it to. You'll use Blade Runner X2 all the time for quick repairs, crafts, and home decor projects, even for major home improvements and big construction projects. The Rockwell Blade Runner X2 is packed with features like a stainless steel cutting surface, an adjustable safety guard, a vacuum port for mess-free cuts. Blade Runner X2 is like a professional table saw with a riving knife system, giving you unlimited cutting capacity, a miter gauge for angled cuts, plus a rip fence for extra long straight cuts. It's all powered by Rockwell's high-quality motor producing 3,000 strokes per minute. There's even a built-in blade drawer for easy access, and it accepts any T-shank blade from any manufacturer. And Blade Runner X2 is built to last with durable, high-grade construction. It's the kind of quality you'd expect from Rockwell, a recognized leader in creating the highest quality and most innovative tools. The Blade Runner X2 makes hard projects easy, so you can get more done and be really proud of your work. It's time to make your home even more beautiful. Order today to receive the complete Blade Runner X2 system. You'll get the miter gauge for angled cuts and the rip fence for long straight cuts. You'll also receive our deluxe blade kit. You'll get a scroll wood blade, a straight wood cutting blade, an aluminum blade, a tile blade, and a blade for cutting metal. Everything you need to make just about any kind of cut. In order to do everything the Blade Runner X2 can do, you'd need almost $1,000 worth of tools. That's why when we first introduced the Blade Runner, it was a terrific value at $179, and it was well worth it for a heavy-duty portable workshop. But order today, and you'll receive the Blade Runner X2 for just 3 easy payments of $33.33. Now that's a great deal. Use Blade Runner X2 for a month. If you don't think it's the most versatile tool you've ever used, return it for a full refund. But we know you'll love your Blade Runner X2. So when you keep it, Rockwell provides an unprecedented 3-year, no-questions-asked warranty. It's time you own the go-anywhere, cut-anything portable workshop.
A tool that pulls double duty. The new Craftsman Flex Claw Hammer. It's a pry bar when you need the leverage. And a hammer when you need to drive it home. The magnetic starter holds the nail in place for a one-handed start, and the large striking head goes to town. The new Craftsman Flex Claw Hammer. Craftsman, when it matters.